My name is Firdaus, and I moved from town to the village to put up a successful poultry farm. And so far, we have sold off our birds for batch one, and it was quite a success. In today's video, I'm going to share with you some of the things that made me have this overwhelming success. Majorly, there are two of them, and one of them is the quality of the birds. But in today's video, I'm going to highlight feeds because it's the biggest expense on the farm. If you get it right, that means you're going to have an overwhelming success. You get it wrong, that means that's going to be a huge failure for you. Let's get into the video. When it comes to feeding these birds, there are majorly two major ingredients in their feed, and that is the protein source and the carbohydrate source. Most of the times, the prices for maize, which is the major source of carbohydrates in Uganda, I don't know about where you're farming from, it's usually fluctuating. Today you find it at 1,200 Uganda shillings. The other day you find it at 1,500 Uganda shillings. But it's unlikely for it to go beyond maybe 1,500. When it comes to the price of concentrates, this one is a bit stable. I remember ever since I started farming, I've been buying a bag of 50 kilograms at 220,000 Ghana shillings, and I think it's the current price. Stability is a very good thing, especially when the prices are affordable. But in situations where these stable prices are not affordable, especially for the farmers, then it becomes a very bad thing. Because when it comes to poultry farming, we keep buying these feeds over and over again. Now I sold off my first batch. I'm supposed to buy these concentrates again. And for the maize, their prices keep fluctuating. So if you find yourself, if you go to the market and find that the prices have actually a bit declined, you go and stock. But with the concentrates, you never find a situation where maybe the prices have even gone down. So you'll have to keep coming back, buying at the same prices, which is a bit expensive and not affordable for most of the farmers, including me. We struggle to buy these concentrates at 220,000. That's a lot, especially with us broiler farmers whose profit margins are this small. We find ourselves actually working for the system instead of maybe gaining a bit of profit. Ever since I started raising these birds, I've been asking myself one question. Isn't there something which is effective but a bit cheaper? Of course, these concentrates, we all agree, and we are very grateful, they provide effective results. When you're using these concentrates, they provide you with these effective results. They are good. All concentrates are good. They give you the results, but at a very high cost. So ever since I started raising these birds, I've been asking myself this question. Can't we get something which is a bit more affordable but can give us results? Until one day, of course, with these movements and farm visits and all that, I landed on someone who is using a cheaper concentrate but effective one, because it's the one I've used with my batch that I just sold off, where I'm doing my poultry farming from. Right now, the current price for concentrates, it's 220. But can you imagine? This particular concentrate, this particular protein source is going for a price which is lower than 200. Can you believe that? And it's very, very, very effective. This is something, of course, I was a bit hesitant sharing with you, but as you know, call me Firdaus, it's a channel which provides value for farmers, especially for small-scale farmers. And I thought to myself, why can't I share this? Because most of you have been asking, how did you achieve that growth, that weight within a few days? One of the secrets that I'm sharing with you today is that particular concentrate. In terms of profitability, you all know how many birds I lost. Due to some critical issues that happened during the first day of my bird's arrival. I lost some birds, actually not some, but so I lost many of them. But I wasn't so worried because I was being cushioned somewhere, with the feeds. I knew about this concentrate at a very cheaper price. I know I can still move on to the next batch with a bit of smile on my face. On average, you need 4 bags of concentrate to raise 250 bags. I'm talking about bags of 50 kilograms. That's around 200 kilograms that you require to raise 250 birds. Now, when you are buying, you're buying that concentrate from, these concentrates on market, you'll be spending 220 on each bag. But for this particular concentrate I was buying, like I mentioned, something below 200,000 Ghana shillings. So that means if you are buying this bag, let's imagine at 200,000 Ghana shillings, it means you'll be saving 20,000 on each bag. That means for the 4 bags, how much is that? If you do the calculations, that means that's 80,000 you have saved on the concentrate. And as we all know, 8,000 isn't small profit for farmers, for small-scale farmers. That's quite a lot. Like I mentioned earlier, I don't usually advertise for people here, but when I stumble on something that works and it's cost-effective, I am compelled to share it with you. That's why I'm coming out with this particular secret. If you are out there and you may want to give this particular concentrate a try, just reach out. This concentrate, by the way, this is something you've never seen, maybe, or you've never even heard about. This is something which is lying there low-key, and no one is really paying attention to it. So I want 2 types of people to reach out to me so that, I can connect them to the person who is selling this particular product. The first person, someone who is having a farm already. This person is already in production, And then the second type of person that I'm really interested in working with is this person who has not started, but they have their money ready to start. Perhaps they've even started, they have finished building their structure, they have purchased the equipment. The only thing left is now to decide who to supply them with the feed. Those are the only people I'm interested in. And I'm going to leave my email here on the screen, maybe even my number. Sometimes I'm hesitant to share my number because most of you call me for chit-chat. Banang, I'm brooding, I'm doing this and this, and you want us to chit-chat. I mean, I'm running out of that kind of time to spare. So I want those kind of people to reach out to me so that we can do business, we can do farming together. I want so many of us to join this broiler farming venture, so that we can all learn the techniques of profiting from this kind of business. I'll keep sharing the tips on how I successfully raise my birds in a few days and I gain that particular weight. Just make sure you are subscribed, and I'm going to see you in the next video. Bye.